we present DIMO, diverse 3D motion generation for arbitrary objects. During inference, DIMO can instantly generate diverse 3D motions in a single forward pass by sampling from motion latent space. The core idea of our work is to leverage the rich priors in well-trained video generation models to extract common motion patterns and embed them into a shared low-dimensional latent space. DIMO addresses two key issues: where the diverse motion priors come from and how to model these motions jointly. First, let's start with motion priors distillation to solve the where from problem. Given a single view image as input, to obtain diverse motion knowledge for a specific object hidden in the video model, we source diverse motion prompts from large language models and generate multiple videos containing diverse motions of the same object using video generative models. Second, for motion representation, we propose to factorize the unstructured 3D motions into neural keypoint trajectories. We embed motions into a latent space and learn their distribution using an auto-decoder framework. The decoded keypoint trajectories are then used to drive canonical 3D Gaussians for differentiable 4D rendering. All parameters including latent codes are optimized through standard backpropagation. We distill all motions into an object-specific motion space. During inference, we can instantly sample diverse 3D motions in a single forward pass. Here we show the diverse 3D motion generation results of the cartoon Trump. We randomly sample 10 motions for visualization. Here is the Sora-generated monster. Notably, all motions are inferred from a single generative model anchored to specific motion latent codes. There are cute animated minions from movie clips. We also visualize the 2D and 3D keypoint trajectories for a better understanding of motions. Here are lively real-world penguins exhibiting diverse motion patterns. Not only animals, plants also have a wide range of motions, like the flowers shown here. Look at this. A cat is pacing, while another is squatting. We evaluate the diversity and quality of 3D motion generation results compared with Dream Gaussian 4D and 4D Gen. We conduct comparisons on 3 Sora-generated objects like the otter here. The results show that we can generate diverse and high-fidelity 3D motions while the baselines fail to generate noticeable motions. We also evaluate the 4D generation quality by comparing on image to 4D and video to 4D setting. Our DIMO can generate high-quality, detailed 4D content and faithful to the input image. Our DIMO also shows smooth and consistent rendering results compared to the baseline. We evaluate the video to 4D generation on consistent 4D benchmark. We render the 4D results on different timestamps on the reference view and 2 novel views. Our DIMO can generate realistic videos with high fidelity and faithful object appearance. With learned motion latent space, we can perform interesting applications including motion interpolation, language-guided motion generation, and test motion reconstruction. During inference time, we can sample 2 motions from learned motion latent space. We linearly interpolate these 2 motions and generate a new 3D motion. The results indicate that the embedded motion latent codes capture meaningful and common motion patterns of the object, which can be effectively interpolated to generate novel, coherent motions. Here we sample 2 motions from the motion latent space of penguins, and then interpolate them to generate the novel one. Here is the interpolated motion of 2 moving balls. Leveraging a pre-trained bird and an MLP encoder, we can effectively project language into the motion latent code and then generate plausible motion sequences in a feed-forward manner. Here we show more language-guided motion generation results excluding the training instructions. For reconstructing test motions, we optimize the randomly sampled latent code from scratch, while keeping all other model parameters fixed. The latent code is updated through standard gradient backpropagation. The fine-tuned latent code can be directly decoded to the target motion with our pre-trained motion autodecoder. Here we show the novel view rendering results of our reconstructed motion. DIMO is the first work capable of generating diverse 3D motions for arbitrary objects within a single model once inference. Thank you for watching.